Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use proximity chat and push to talk in Dune Awakening. So if this is something that you want to be able to use, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what we're going to do firstly is to click on the escape button on our keyboard and then we should now be taken here. Now in here we're just going to click on settings as you can see and then you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page just click on audio right here. So audio, and then we're just going to scroll down here. Keep scrolling down until you can see enable voice chat. So make sure that this one is on. The voice chat volume, make sure that it's perfect for you. Of course, I have it set to 100. I think it's set to 100 per default. So if it's too loud, of course, you can always turn it down. And voice activation mode. So if you want to be able to push to talk or toggle, or obviously there is none here also. So I think push to talk is probably the best one. And here's the audio output and input. Quite often it needs to be the exact same actually, but yeah, just play around with it and see what's actually perfect for you. It's going to be your specific microphone, of course. And then we can confirm changes here. Should be confirmed now. And what we can do after that as well, I'm going to show you. So if you want to be able to actually talk and you actually have it set to push to talk, then you can just click on the V button. And when you click on V and hold, you will be able to basically just talk. So just say whatever you want to be able to say. And when you're done, you can just release V on your keyboard. And that is basically exactly how to do this.